Have you ever wondered why PassHub uses the WWPass Key app for login? The answer is security. Unlike traditional password managers that rely on a master password, PassHub uses WWPass Key for both multi-factor authentication and client-side encryption. Client-side encryption means that you encrypt and decrypt the data stored in PassHub in your browser with a cryptographic key managed by your WWPass Key app. This approach ensures that only you have access to your passwords, notes, and files. Since PassHub was designed with security in mind, we never know your cryptographic key, which means we cannot access your PassHub vault or restore your PassHub account. Now imagine you lose your phone or get a new one. How can you transfer your WWPass Key app from your old phone to your new one? The only way to do this is by restoring it from a backup. If you did not create a backup, you will not be able to restore WWPass Key on your new phone and will lose access to your PassHub vault. Therefore, we strongly encourage you to create a backup today. It only takes a minute, and you can do it within the app itself. Simply choose Create Backup from the menu and follow the instructions. All you need is access to your email and your WWPass Key PIN. In the future, when you get a new phone, select the Restore WWPass Key from Backup option and use the same email and PIN. WWPass Key. Fast, easy, secure.